Okay. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to send mail at scheduled time in Gmail. So let's started. At first, open your desktop. Now you can see send mail at a scheduled time in Gmail. Now going to the Chrome browser. Now open the Chrome browser. Now go to the Gmail. Now click from Gmail option. Now you can see open the Gmail. I can see then show the new interface and schedule Gmail. Now click from compose option. Now create. Now click. Now firstly to and the send others mail account. Now select from Gmail account. Now subject. And any text and any document, and click from the send side and a more option. Now click from schedule send. Now select from time and tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow Monday and pick date at time. Now select from Resource time. Now click from schedule and send. Now click. That it's. Now check the schedule. That it's. Now you can see send mail at scheduled time in Gmail is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video.